But before that, I want to push the performance even further by adding a second Z extension. The EX25 already has one built in, and now we're stacking another one on top. We've shown in previous videos that running the stock valve with two Z extensions can boost performance, especially with longer barrels and higher output pressure. And since the Tech 9 housing gives us plenty of space and supports up to 25 G CO2 capsules, this setup makes perfect sense. But before you close it up, double check that the mag release button is seated properly, the drum lock and its spring work as they should, and the barrel spring is in the right spot.